The Robinson R22 is one of the most popular two-place helicopters. The low acquisition cost, easy maintenance, and simple design make it an attractive choice for private owners and flight schools. November 7045 X-ray is an excellent example of a meticulously maintained Robinson R22 Beta II. With a stunning yellow exterior accented by black stripes, this energetic aircraft will lift you away to your next adventure. The Lycoming O-360-J2A four-cylinder piston engine provides a reliable source of power to get you to your destination quickly and safely. The aircraft features a lightweight two-blade main rotor, two-blade tail rotor, and skid landing gear. The roomy interior features tan leather seats with seatbelts and shoulder harnesses. The dual flight controls allow for simple operation and easy training. This helicopter will change your perspective on the world when you ride in first class to your favorite local destinations. Think of the fun you'll have on the way to the golf course, ranch, or business meeting. For more information or to schedule your private showing, please contact HPA at 866-227-8149 or visit flyhpa.com.